Hey there, I've just had a question come in, an Excel question from one of our pack houses here in the Bay of Plenty. The question is, hi Cathi, my question is around fractiles. In kiwifruit, the lower fractile for brix is the third lowest result. For a data set, how do we set fractiles? Well, I think the closest thing that we would use in Excel is the function small. For example, if I'm wanting to calculate the third smallest result in this list of results in A2 to A20, I would use a small function. So I'd go equals SM, and here it says returns the kth smallest value in a data set, where K is the smallest value you're after. So I'm going to double click small, I'm going to tell it my data resides in this area here, I'm going to press comma and tell it I want the third smallest result. So my K is 3. When I press enter, 3 is the third smallest result. Likewise, if I'm after the sixth smallest result, I simply go equals SM, double click small, choose my range, press comma, and tell it I want the sixth smallest result. And the sixth smallest result is 11. Now just for your information, the inverse of the small function is the large function. And if I'm after the fifth largest result, instead of equals SM, I'll go equals LA. And here it returns the largest value in a set of data, where K is the largest number you're after. So I'll double click large. Again, I'll choose this range. But this time I'm going to press the function key F4 to lock in the range A2 to A20. So when I fill this formula down to D8, the A2 to A20 doesn't change. So I'll press F4. Then I'll press comma and I'll tell it I want the fifth largest value. And enter. And the fifth largest value is in fact 29. Because I locked in A2 to A20 by pressing the function key F4, I can now just drag this formula down, double click it, and ask for the second largest value. And the second largest value is 35. So those are two functions in Excel that are quite useful, small and large. And with particular reference to this pack house in the Bay of Plenty, it was useful for those who need to work out fractiles in the kiwifruit industry.